So here we have this Furologee sofa table. Now this thing looks pretty neat, so let's take a closer look at it. It has 2 shelves. This bottom one has a backer so things don't fall off the back, 3 small drawers, and then 4 bigger drawers. And it also has leveling feet. It was also pretty simple to assemble. In total, it took about 25 minutes. There's a few different options to choose from, but this is the rustic brown. I think it looks great. The shelves are just a laminate covered particle board, and they measure ½ an inch. Anyway, the frame is made of a 5/8 square tube steel that has a durable black powder coating on it. The drawers are made of hardboard covered in fabric. The fronts have a print on them to look like wood. They're not solid, but they work just fine. They slide pretty well on these metal rails, and the back of the rails have stoppers on them. And of course that prevents the drawers from sliding all the way through. I always like to see diagonal bracing for stability, which this doesn't have, but as you can see, it's still plenty sturdy. There's barely any movement, and the shelves are plenty strong enough to hold my weight. So yeah, this thing looks great, but now let's get into some measurements. It's 39.5 inches long, 11.5 inches wide, about 31.25 inches tall. There's 6.5 inches between these shelves, and it's about 10.5 inches wide. Both size drawers have a depth of 6 inches and a width of 10.5 inches. The small drawers are about 11.5 inches long, and then the larger drawers are about 18 inches long. So yeah, this sofa table has plenty of storage, looks great, and is also plenty sturdy. You could also use it as an entryway table or maybe a small dresser, and it'd work great for those too. So overall, it's a great table.